Welcome. We're back. Hey. MB Trader, good morning. I'm sorry there was no London stream if you guys just tuning in for the day. But here we are. Here we are. So let's do this. Let's do this. Almost market open. So should be seeing some action real soon. Okay, it's not. What kind of news we have? Unemployment claims. Okay, so we had some news. And we have FOMC meeting minutes tonight. Nothing special. Nothing special. Anyway, here we are. Here we are. I'm gonna put some lines. This is Quant Hour chart, by the way. I'm just curious to test out this one. Put on some levels here. Maybe I should be trading more on Quant Hour, I think. Not sure, but I mean, do the charting. Do the charts more often on Quant Hour. Seemingly going back to the midnight area at 96. I was watching this earlier. The only thing I've noticed is that there is a unbalanced price on NQ, on the mini, on the 15-minute time frame. So right here, kind of interesting. I'm gonna be watching this for the rest of the day. All right, we don't have it on the micro, but anyway, who cares? Here's the market open in 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. 309 would be that level. 309. I'm gonna put a marker down there. Oh yeah, I know where it is. Seems like we could go in both ways. It's juicy in both directions. There's a fair value gap up at 394. We have the 309 area as well. So yeah. Let's see. So far it's doing nothing. Waiting for that first fair value gap to print. Yeah, looks like it wants to go down, I think. A little bit eager to jump into a scalp down there. Oh no. Terrible. Jesus, why didn't it close it? Okay, never mind. Should have closed it. All right, back to almost the open level. I wonder if it wants to, close that level, that volume imbalance on the mini. Let me check it closer. I think it's 309. That's not too far. On the mini, it's down at 309. So maybe one push to the downside. Enter the short at 334 to scalp it. Maybe it wants to rebalance it. Not sure. Here. Jesus. Let me switch it. All right, closed it. I don't know how far it wants to go, or maybe sweep some liquidity above. Not sure. But if it does, it would be interesting to see. Hey, 6 bill bands. Yeah, there's room for both sides, I think. There is room for both sides. But I'm still watching that 309 level. If it wants to go there, this was the first fair value gap officially, I think. This one here. Right, this one. Dilzik, hello. Welcome, Dilzik. This could be a continuation higher. What do you guys think? up to 94 maybe. Not sure. It seems like it might want to drop. $300 and what is that? 309 again. Yeah. I don't know how far it wants to go, but it definitely, you know, traded below the first fair value gap. So that's an interesting scenario. Down we go. I'm curious about that liquidity void or unbalanced price, you know. That is really something I'm curious of. Okay, it took that, which is great. Awesome. And this is on the mini, you know. And I wonder what's gonna happen now. On the 5-minute, there is still a fair value gap at 290. So I'm watching this. Anyway. There's the 290 level. That's the next level of liquidity down there, if it wants to sweep that. Right now we are in a 15-minute gap, but there's one more. Actually, 290. Should be getting it right now. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Did it go for it? The low here was 89.25, 89.75. So it didn't go for it, not yet. Quite interesting. Technically created relative equal lows. No fair value gap on the 1-minute. So here's the first fair value gap again after the open. I guess we can still trade above that. Took a small scalp with 2 micros to get the 290. I feel like it's gonna go up almost. Yeah, I'm out. Dang. Not this here. All right. So here's the first gap. Reacting to it still. And the other is going to be a 5-minute gap. No, not this one. 5-minute gap up there. In terms of liquidity. And here's another one down there. This is the 5-minute chart. Nothing else in between, and nothing on the 15-minute. Back to the 1-minute chart. Damn it. Trying to scalp it again. Dude. I can't believe this. All right. Hello. 85-ért aktiválta. 85 volt, úgyhogy jó hír. Alright. Joseph was asking how much is the activation fee at Bulenox currently, and it is now still at $85, but it was actually on an account that it was reset. Nincs mit. Oh man, look at this. I'm not gonna scalp this. I messed up so much. No problem. I'm up 426 on a new Apex funded account. And it seems like this one wants to go higher. Igen. Ez az. So what's it gonna be now? What's it gonna be? Are we going back down or... So far the first gap is holding pretty nicely. Holding pretty good. Man, I feel like this one is a little bit undecisive. Can it go down for the lows, I wonder? Now created a fair value gap. Next liquidity would be down there. And the macro is kicking in about 3 minutes. So we should be seeing some kind of a well, movement. Where is it going to pick up liquidity, I wonder? From the downside or from up there? And quite interesting. I might change the color on this. How it is actually holding this area still. Maybe not for long. It has not been inverted for now. Hey Nathan! Hey Kirk, welcome guys. How is the day? I'm watching this closer. I just can't decide if I should jump into a scalp again. Ooh, look at that. This was the macro. Pretty epic. A little bit wild. Oh, this was not the macro yet. Then what was it? Was it some kind of a news? I guess, maybe. Traded above and closed above the first fair value gap here. Let's see. Let me check this on TradingView. Oh, I'm almost out. Oh, almost. Try to fool around here a little bit. So that would be the midnight area. And that would be the AM session high. No, this scalp is not gonna work out. Maybe I should stay on this evaluation account for a little bit more. Is it gonna go to the 90s maybe? Oh no. The heck? The heck is going on here? No, it's not going through. In fact, it might gonna go down again. But for how long? How far? And now it's gonna take out that 89. Almost pushed it up there. I got out from the trade, but oh man. Okay, liquidity has been taken here. Chop fast, 5-minute barcoded out. Oops, sorry. Quick phone call, just a minute. Sorry, everybody. Just a quick phone call. What a chop fest here. Look at that. What a chop fest. And it still didn't took out this high here. So we're basically just floating here in this area. So a little bit annoying, but what can we do? All right. Seems like we're not gonna do anything until we're not out of this mess here. 93 would be the high. We're still at 67, 68. How far can we go, I wonder? Wow. It did go. It did go. Da, 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 da. All right, now that the high is swept, I wonder how far can we go? Going down a bit. This liquidity has been taken. Now I'm gonna draw a gap here. Kind of like a maybe it was too early for me to jump in. With 2 micros here. You know, why not? Because it's basically inverted that fair value gap up there after the sweep. So it would only make sense $480 is your target. Let's go, Tudor. Oh no, that's not good for me. That's not good for me, man. But anyway, it is what it is. All right, all right, it's at break even. At least I took a partial. Wasn't sure. Liquidity at that level. Yeah, I guess so. I was watching the higher there. Hey, Akram. I'm good. I'm good. I'm sorry, everybody, if some of you guys were here in London. Actually, oh, look at that. High is 825. Okay, so this could be a good target all the way up to 44. Yeah, all the way up there. I like the 444 level. So I'm going to mark it on the chart. Right there. There's a fair value gap on the 4 hour. I haven't even checked it. Entry, this chopper thing will match. Oh yeah, definitely it could. it can definitely could mess up everything and anything and everything. That's true. That is true. Come on. Let's see what's it gonna be. Oh, come on. Oh, there you go. It's already messed me for 2 trades already. Oh, yeah, that's good. You're on demo. Ollie, what's up? Good to see you. What is happening? Look at this. We are going lower. Now this here is a 5-minute buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. I'm gonna put a line here. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna put a line there. If I look at the 15 and the 5-minute, it's technically a chop fest, that's for sure. If it leaves this gap right here before it's going down, I might even jump in for a scalp at that point. Thank you, Akram. Thank you. Oh man, look at that. Picked up liquidity from down there. I'm not going to trade these hours. Yeah, I mean, we have FOMC today as well, so I guess the market could be definitely chopped up until that hour. So I guess it's better to wait. And it's still going down, but how far? I know where it's going. 47. Oh damn, I wanted to be in it so bad. All right, took this out. If you look at this here, this area on a 5-minute chart, that was a bullish order block or demand area that has been taken out beautifully. Now, how far are we gonna go? I have no idea. Was this the... No, it wasn't. The first presentation gap, as some of you guys call it, would be this one. And I'm just gonna, oh, that's ugly. Give a different color to it. How far is this going? The next stop would be 21. I'm not gonna jump into the 21 there. I'm gonna wait for a possible shift instead. Mm-hmm. 1 hour chart, relative equal lows. By the way. Is it gonna go for it? I'm still bearish on this. Just don't know why. Could be picking up some orders from this gap. This one. That would be interesting. So I'm just gonna wait. There's a 1 hour fair value gap down below. Yeah, there's a good chance that it's gonna take it. I think. Because that gap is right there. Right down there. First it has to take out 21. But if it's unable to do it, then whatever. Alright, never mind. I'm looking for some kind of a bearish shift here, but it might not gonna happen. Okay, at least this candle traded below that previous one. I tried to scalp this earlier with less success, as you see down there. Maybe I will have more success now. Just swap these accumulation highs and inverted fair value gap. Yeah, all the way down to next looking distribution. Then the question is, how far is this distribution gonna go? That's the main question. That is what I don't really understand. I mean, at least it created this inversion. But it might not be the final target for price to break lower. Not doing it. And back to the same level. That's what you get when you start to short at the bottom. Oh man. It was almost too good to be true. Yeah, that would be a good area. Yeah, but the problem is I think it might want to sweep higher, and that's my problem. Yeah, it's over. It was looking good. It was a good idea. Yeah, I'm out. If it wants to sweep more liquidity, it has to go to the next fair value gap above 324.25, and we have the first fair value gap above that level. A little bit annoying, but what can we do, right? Let's wait for the reaction and let's see what we can do. It's not picking up. It's not picking up liquidity, not yet. Maybe now. All right, picked up a little bit there. And now the question remains if it's going to turn around or not. Yeah, a little bit choppy here. A little bit choppy, and I'm not sure about the current reaction. Not sure about if I should jump in or not. Anyway, I'll be right back. I'm gonna fix a drink. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, sorry. I was doing some phone calls. I'm still expecting a phone call. What happened so far? We went back to the first fair value gap, inverted it. Now it's going down maybe. Malo, what's up? Oh yeah, last night was definitely an interesting scenario. It was definitely an interesting scenario. I'm thinking if I should maybe go with the 45. I'm gonna go with the 45 here. Okay. So first gap has been inverted. Minus 800 times 3. I'm sorry, I wasn't reading that. Yeah, that's the point when you know you have to take a break, regroup. Yeah. Finish the night positive. Let's go. You got yourself back from the hole. That is awesome. Good job there, Malo. Good job. That is an excellent job. Let's see what's happening. Are we gonna go higher or lower? I wonder. There's still one gap right there. Kirk, what? You blew your accounts? Which account? What account? What kind of account you blew up? Come on. Come on, Kirk. Don't say that. What happened? This one's going up again. Oh, come on. What's happening here? Okay. Then I woke up this morning and realized it. Come on, man. That's what happens when I'm not reading the chat. It's a big heart. Saeed, hey bro, what's happening? Bearish flag. Yeah, could be. Good to see you. Good to see you, man. Miracle. Bro, what's up? Welcome back. Welcome back, Said. Good to have you here on the channel. I love that you're here, spending time with us. Even though the market right now might go sideways, we might see some crazy stuff happening. All right, going up again. You're welcome, Said. How was your new year? How is everything? How is trading? How things are going? Going up, going up. Where could be the draw on liquidity? I'd say we talked about this 444 level. That's the draw on liquidity now. I can confidently say that. First presentation gap. It looks like this one is inverting it again. Maybe. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What a drop. What a drop. The 15-minute and the 5-minute. Look at the 15-minute here. How many wicks are there? A lot. Well, New Year was, I would say it was peaceful. we were just watching TV, and but it was good. It was good. Change your RR for good, successful trades. Let's go, Miracle. That's a good idea. Actually, uh, you know, you got lucky. 6 o'clock candle. Oh, good. I think we just picked up some liquidity here. Not sure though. How far are we gonna go? I wonder. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm thinking about this bearish order block here. This one, this area, right up there. Actually, yeah, this. You can call it this one. That would be something I would be looking for. At 418 would be the first target. 418. If it closes above this gap here, yeah, miracle. Actually, this is coffee right now because I'm so tired and sleepy, but it's just a light coffee, nothing special. Using it as a possible level to determine the direction here. If we're going to close above this first presentation gap, I might going to take a long position. But I still have not decided yet. I need an up close candle, so I need a displacement because the 418-ish level is, I think, a what is this? The open 418.75 would be a 15-minute order block. So that's where it starts, all the way up to 444, and that's what I think it could be heading to. Downside. It could happen. It could be happening. I'm gonna stay bullish for now, but interesting how this gap is still holding price. It can also turn to the downside and start to drop. There is still a level down there on the 1 hour chart right here, which could be a draw on liquidity down at the 200. So I'm gonna wait for the next move here. You're still learning? No, no. Side, it's it's no problem. If everybody's learning, I'm learning. Everybody's learning. Just give me a second. Quick phone call here. Had to send the text. Looks like we're going down again. Going down again. How far are we gonna go? What a turn of events here. What a turn of events. You're learning, but forgetting is also learning. That's true, Kirk. That is absolutely true. And it's going down. What's it gonna be? How far is it gonna go? J-Man! What's up? Good to see you, man. $267? Almost. I'm not saying it's impossible, but I'm trying to look for. There's a fair value gap. Let me check. 267. 267. I mean, yeah. Yeah, absolutely. That could be a good target. But the question is, what kind of liquidity is this going to bring? I'm actually going long. I just went long with 1 micro. I'm targeting 417. Yeah, 416.50 on my MyFundedFutures funded account. This one is on MyFundedFutures. And I'm going to tell you guys why I went long. The reason I went long is the following. It was the inversion. Now we swept this level right here. We swept the 287. I just entered now. Setting. Visual trade. You see, I just enter right now. Like 2 minutes ago when I said I'm entering along, because I entered at the close of this candle. So on this candle, I entered at the 1109 candle. I'm not saying it's like 100% sure trade, but I'm gonna let you know what's my take on this. So it swept this liquidity, and it also created an inversion gap up here. So as soon as this candle almost closed, I knew that this is going to be an inversion. Whatever happens, even if it goes down, I don't care about those few points. I'm just going to jump in. Unfortunately, I'm almost back to break even. Thank you. Tamaj, good morning. Welcome. Beautiful day for the Bears. I hope for the Bulls as well. If not, I'm just going to bite the bullet and move on. Bulls are ready too. Yeah. So my thought process was I'm targeting that 15-minute. You can call this, I'm going to show you, you can call this supply area or bearish order block, whatever you want to call it. It's not necessarily going to break it, but you know, it tried multiple times and it didn't go. The low hanging fruit is 18.75. High probability target is 48.25. I'm gonna go for the low hanging fruit at 18.75, and my TP is gonna be, you know, just for early profit taking, and you know, not to be off by a few ticks at 16.50. This is my trade for now. This is how we live now. 406 level made the best distribution. Oh yeah, December 20. Nice. If it fails, no problem. Then I'm gonna be watching this level down there, the 206. If this one fails. You know, one of the things that I'm trying to learn from ICT is that, you know, and it could be a solution for everybody. Like, we don't need to over leverage our trades. What I mean by saying that, and what ICT was meant by saying this, is that if you have a small position, you are able to hold that small position all the way until the algo does its job and, you know, finishes the job for the day. So if you anticipate a good target, then even if you lose, it's not gonna break you because it's just a small loss. But if you don't lose, then you're able to hold the trade with confidence, right? And you're not gonna do stupid decisions on the way. But which one is good between take profit and my? Well, it's a tough question. I would say now I'm aiming for take profit trader account, funded account. I did not achieve that in December, but hopefully in January, because I would really love to get the daily payouts. So I mean, daily payouts as of I can request a payout anytime. That would be awesome. So both prop firms are extremely good, and both of them are on the top. Only negative thing with take profit trader is daily loss limit is a hard breach. But, you know, if you trade small, go for base hits, it should not be an issue. Yeah. Because of the inversion, yeah. We'll see. It could go sideways, but I'm willing to hold this if I have to. Bears are active. Oh yeah, definitely. They are. They are active. If it doesn't have daily loss under, yeah, the starter plus account is a good. By the way, that's why and that is why MyFundedFutures is an extremely good choice with the new starter plus. And don't forget, there's a 20% discount on the starter plus right now. And I'm already trying to build up. Currently, I'm trading on this account. I have two funded accounts with MyFundedFutures here. This one is up almost 1,000, and where is it? And this one is up 1,700. I'm trying to bring this up to $2,600 or $2,800, this funded account, but both are starter accounts. So yeah, looking forward to it. And this is the account that I'm in the trade right now. But yeah, I'm trying to be, you know, careful with MyFundedFutures, but you know, I like them. I think very solid prop firm. Just ranging between midnight. Unfortunately, that's what I think too. That's gonna be at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard, right? That's gonna be 2 p.m. Eastern Standard. I don't even have Discord opened up. I have to check it. So I have to close the trade somewhere. Somewhere like here at the latest, you know, as a reminder. Oh no, come on, Discord. Seems like my Discord is going crazy again. Sometimes it does this. TP is coming for me. You know, that is one of the things that I really want to achieve this year. To hold the trade to a possible target. I don't know what's going on with my Discord. But it's acting up weird. I can't start my Discord. Somehow the software just said no. We need to inverse. Let me check it. Oh yeah, we are right at the gap. Oh man. Oh man. I don't like this. Dude. You know what I could do is if it would trade higher than the 70s, maybe I can move it to break even, I guess. $357. Yeah, right here. Actually, I'm gonna draw this here on this chart too. Where was it? 930. Then the next one was here. Okay. It's not gonna be super accurate here on Quant Tower, but it's somewhere around here. Because it's on the micro, it's not on the mini. But looking good. Okay, I think probably it would be a good idea to put this to break even, all right? So at least it's a free trade. $16.50. Yeah, I like that level. I wanted to go there. So let's go. I want it to go. $35. Isn't that too close? It can easily bounce down here, but 35 is a good area. 35 is good, but usually, you know, even the thing I'm doing right now to go for break even is against my risk management style. I usually never. It's not true. But I just say I don't like to put the trade to break even. Yeah, that's true. First presentation will hold still and deliver lower, yeah, because it will get inversed. Yeah. And it's so interesting if you look at this, look at here, multiple times how price was reacting to this level. So it's also a very interesting concept from ICT. I don't know if he was the first to, you know, look into this in a deeper way, but how price actually reacts to this level, that's quite amazing. It's definitely an important level for price, right? So oh really? Oh man, my Discord I just can't start my Discord. I wanted to check on the economic calendar. Oh, this would have been 35 here, but yeah, the low was 35. Crazy, crazy moves. Crazy moves. I was really, really, really hoping that finally we get to go into that bearish order block thing. But it's not doing it. So annoying. Yeah. Yeah, I have a bad feeling that it's just gonna waterfall down again. Which is exactly what it used to do on a day like FOMC, right? Hey, Venom. Yo, yo. What's up? How's it going? 331 can be reverted from this area. Maybe, maybe, maybe. Oh man, it was looking so nice. Doing great, Venom. Good to see you. Waiting at the airport. Vacation. Where are you going? Where are you going? Who told you can go to vacation? Oh, Greece. Nice. Awesome, dude. That's awesome. I was in Greece like, oh my god, a long, long, long time ago. Yeah, eating gyros in Greece. Aha. That's the way to go. I think I'm gonna get taken out at break even. The bulls have given up, and I think it's just gonna sweep more orders to the downside. I don't see anything that would push this right now. Maybe later, but first it might just want to sweep some momentum orders. Oh yeah, definitely. If I can start my Discord. Oh, I could start this. All right, cool. Look at this. I know, I know. We cannot use the 30. That's why I'm using the 34 here. I know. I know. I know. You see? It's from 34. Yeah, so choppy. Yeah. Yeah, Venom. So, unfortunately, I wasn't able to stream earlier, but yeah, I got it right. You see? I just messed it up. But this was it. What did I just do? Oh man, I have to extend it. Okay. All right, we got this. First 30 minutes after midnight with the flip tool and use the 25% too. Oh, I don't know. First 30 minutes after midnight. I have to go here then. First 30 minutes after midnight. So here's midnight. Boom. First 30 minutes. Flip tool. 25%, 407. I don't know. Somewhere there. I don't have the 25 on. I don't have it. Oh, 25, 50, 75. Oh, I don't even have those numbers on yet. Greece is the world, is time, is place, is motion. Wow. It's called the Midnight Open Range, and the best shorts are above that. Now extend that levels to the right and line the price. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay, okay. Well, that's also a concept that one can trade, which is great. I never traded that. It's important. Okay. 25, 50, 75. Duly noting it. Here's my pen. I'm gonna write it down. 25, 750, 770. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. I'm learning. Got reversed. Capture 38 points. That is awesome. So about tomorrow. Tomorrow, the futures are closed at 9:30. Am I correct? Let me just. I think I got email about this. Come on, where is it? But is it gonna close at 9:30? I think it's gonna close at 9:30, right? What the? Okay, never mind. $9:30. Okay, so we can trade London session tomorrow, but there's most likely not going to be any kind of New York open, right? Because and it's going to open at 6 p.m., right? 6 p.m. if I understand correctly. You know, now at this point, I'm securing a little bit here. Just to cover some fees, you know. Oh yeah, the 331, that was super cool. Nice return there. I wonder if we're gonna go into the order block. I think we should go into the order block, right? Yeah, I think. I mean, some people would say that, and I'm gonna show you. So this area here could be a possible supply area. You know, some say to me that this is not an order block. This is a supply zone. I don't care what you call it. I don't care. When I see this formation, there's a 80% chance that maybe not immediately, maybe not even on the same day, but there's an 80% chance that market will go there and it's going to, what's the word for it, mitigate that area, you know. So for that, the low hanging fruit would be that 418. That's the you call it Shirley. You know what, I like that. I like that you call it Shirley. Reminds me of the movie Airplane, you know. And don't call me Shirley. I think Leslie Nielsen was an awesome actor, a great comedian in those roles. You know, exactly. No, with a few tick stop loss, yeah. That's also a good thing. I guess you need to practice a lot and get to know the market real good to be, you know, I was never good using a few ticks of stop loss. I think it's I'm not saying it's not possible, because definitely there are people doing it, but you got to be prepared for some stop losses around the way, or around along the way, guys. I slept about 4 hours this morning, and it was a very long day for me, and I'm super tired. Even though I had a coffee, I am super tired, super tired. Do you believe stop loss was 25? Jeez. I believe you. If you say, I believe. If you say it, I believe it. The thing is, it can go sideways, but I cannot leave this open more than. I mean, I have to close this before the FOMC news. There's a very good chart here. There's a very good chart here on MyFundedFutures. I'm going to show you guys. Where is it? It's on a notice board. I don't know. Now, where is my freaking take profit? Are you kidding with me? Okay. I had to zoom onto it. All right, take profit has been taken. Beautiful trade. You know what? I think we all deserve something like this. Everybody. Okay. All right. It was a good one. It was a good one. I think so far that was the best trade of the year. One of the best. No, we had a very good trade on Monday. You guys remember when we were shorting it? We had a nice short, exactly, almost the same situation, and that was a good one. Now, actually, I took this with 1 micro, and look at this, 1 micro. And I know you guys, I know many people saying that, oh, who cares about 1 micro? But listen, with 1 micro, I made $195, and this is on a funded account. And step by step, you know. I know you might say, why not with 1 mini? No, I could not have held this with 1 mini. It would have been too much for me to handle mentally. But a couple of these trades, and you know. Anyway. It's better than losing a whole account. Exactly. Exactly. This was a real good one. What a drop from New Day open gap. Yeah. Yeah, so now, as we talked about it, we revisited this this 419, and and you know, I would not like to take a trade anymore today. Sorry, I don't want to give back. I made some good profits on the other accounts too, so I'm okay. My Apex accounts are still okay, although the other day I was down a little bit on a few of those, but yeah. But this was a good one. This was a good one. We can get a bearish one. Yeah. As I told you. Exactly, Akram. Exactly. Well, hey, this was a really good opportunity, and this also proves that these areas, and again, you can call this bearish order block, you can call this supply area, you can call this Disneyland, whatever you want to call this here. But when I see this breaking structure with the displacement, and before that pushing up onto liquidity, when I see this, that's always a good target. So that's why, anyway, that's why I took it. Oh, okay. All right. Let me check. Oh, I see. Yeah. Yeah, I see that. Nice. Macro time, New York time. 10:03. Wow. Nice. Exact distribution. That was really precise. And these are the things that proves to me, and I guess to everybody or anybody who likes smart money, that it's really working. I mean, yeah, we made a nice one. 5K? Jeez. Awesome. Yes, yes, exactly. Yeah, Saeed. If anyone would like to purchase a Starter Plus account, my code gives you a 20% discount now from the Starter Plus. And if you're a brand new customer with MyFundedFutures, brand new registration and the first purchase, you're going to get 40% off from the Starter Plus account. So check it out. I am definitely sticking with MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, Bulenox, Tick Trader. Also, don't forget about Tick Trader. I have some big plans with Tick Trader. And just to tease you guys, I'm already testing a brand new prop firm, which I'm not going to promote until I get a payout from them. So, and after that, maybe. Thank you so much, Saeed. Thank you. Nintendo, you missed the action here. We had a beautiful trade. Actually, can I show this here on the trades? Visual trades. Marker, label, color. Here you go. Look at this. Entered 21.317 and 4.7. Jesus, 100 points. Made 100 points on this. 100 points. Jeez. 100 points. Wow. What a trade. What a trade. Today was okay. Up in the green. Let's do a constitution after passing my evaluation. Oh. Just never give up, Saeed. Just never give up. Manipulate to upside, letting the probability gap. It went down to inverted. That's true. That was distribution. Yeah, 100-point trade. Thank you, Nertendo, and good to see you. Sorry I wasn't here in the London session. I had some stuff to do, and I had to bring my mother back to the hospital. But she's okay. But I'm here now in the New York session. I'll be here tomorrow as well in the London session. I don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow in New York session, you know. Yeah. I told you guys yesterday, London session, that there will be no stream today. But tomorrow I'll be back again, as usual. Yeah. Okay, guys, I think I'm done with this. Oh well, she has to go for more treatment because not gonna lie, it's frustrating because the doctors still don't know exactly what is going on, and she's taking a lot of medicine, and now she had problem with her kidney, and now she has blood pressure issue, and I don't know. We have to go back. I mean, she's back in the hospital. We have to, anyway, long story. She will be okay, but I might have to skip 1 or 2 sessions in the near future, but I'll be here as much as I can. Vivian, good to see you. Doing great. We had a nice 100-point trade, Vivian. Look it back on the VOD. It was a nice trade. Yeah, definitely. I obviously, if I have to go and visit her, I will. So, and I take care of what I can. So, anyway, guys. Yeah, thank you, Vivian, for dropping in. I hope you're doing good. What can I say? It was a good session. I'm super tired, so I'm gonna call it here, and I'll be back tomorrow for the London session. All right. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching and for being here. If you would like to support the channel, as always, please use my codes and links. Don't forget about Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures, 20% off from Starter Plus, Tick Trader, instant funded accounts. Bulenox still down 91%, and all the others, of course. All right, thank you so much, and have a great evening, morning. God bless you all. All right, cheers, everybody.